Hi everyone, today we'll learn how to flip or rotate a video using CapCut PC. So we have added a file and added it to the timeline. So you have to select it and then go here. When you hover your mouse here, you'll have two options here. One is mirror and another one is rotate. So mirror is basically mirroring or like flip. Okay, then it's done. Then you can start to rotate using this way. There is also another way to rotate the video. You select the video, go to the video, then go to the basic, and then here you have the option, you can just rotate the way that you want this way, or if you want, you can just put number like plus 90, and for the opposite, you do the minus 90 or 80 or minus 180. And if you want to revert back to the original, you just put 0 and then it's gone. You also have this other option, like you can just do it this way to rotate. So this is how you basically do the rotate using CapCut PC, and also the flip or mirror. If you like the video, please thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks a lot.